Welcome to the Don Imran Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make some coconut rice. Now, this rice is very popular in East Africa and it was shared in a coconut shell. There's going to be no tasting of this right now because I had this a couple of hours ago and it was absolutely magnificent. Absolutely out of this world. But when I came downstairs, I actually saw it in a coconut shell and I was like, wow. So it looked wonderful. It's just so good in terms of the presentation and the taste of it, the way that the rice is separate from one another, the steam that was emitting from it, and it just goes so well with the fish that we had, and that's another video that you'll be able to see. Absolutely marvelous combination. And although this is like a East African rice dish, it actually reminds me of some of the rice that I've had in Malaysian restaurants when I was in Malaysia as well. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this coconut rice. It was certainly delicious, certainly rewarding, and you have the step-by-step process of how to make this absolutely intensely rewarding coconut rice. So with that said, do like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases, share this content to as many people as possible, and also comment below whether you are going to try this rice out and whether you have any recommendations. Do let us know what combination, what main course dish you'd like for us to make that goes with this rice. And with that said, catch you in the next one.